So here we've got the function notation for this polynomial. A few things that are important about polynomials are the number in front, this negative 16. So you look at whatever the highest exponent is, then look at the number in front, this one, negative 16. That's called the leading coefficient. And then whatever the highest power is, that's called the degree of the polynomial. So this one we would say it's second degree or degree 2. Anyway, this one says substitute in a negative 6. So let me show you with this function notation, if I'm substituting a negative 6, then this becomes f with a negative 6 substituted in. It doesn't mean multiply like we often use parentheses to mean. Here we're just using parentheses in a different way. It says f is the function, which is this thing over here, and then substitute in a negative 6 for any x's that you see. So we'd have negative 16 times negative 6 squared, and this should be in parentheses because it's saying take whatever there is for x in parentheses and substitute for that x, substitute for that x. So substitute a negative 6 for that x right there, and at the end it doesn't have an x, it just says plus the number 5. So this is going to be negative 16, and when you square this negative, it's going to become positive 36. And then this says 6 quarters. Well, I know that 4 quarters makes $1. 6 of them would make $1.50. So this is 150. Oh, except negative. 150. And then for extra fun, let's do this one without a calculator. Come on, it's fun. Let's try it. See if my brain is still alive. 6 times 6 is 36. And this would be 18 and 3. 18 and 3 is 21. And then 1 times those two is going to be a 36. And then that's going to be a 6, a 7, and a 5. But because of this, it should be negative. So we've got negative 576. And I can even combine these two to make negative 147. Let's see, 576 and 147. They're both negative, so I just need to add them together, and then the answer is going to be negative. This is a 13. This is an 8, and 4 is 12. And this is 5, 6, 7. Grand total, negative 723. Woohoo! Good job, polynomial.